Okay, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to install and remove or put in a CPU, a computer CPU. So a computer CPU is the one that runs the whole computer. All processes go through it. They are assigned the different functions and everything happens in the CPU. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we have a computer that we will be using to demonstrate that issue. So as you can see, if you haven't watched the previous video that I made about removing the components, kindly go watch that. Or then generally the thing is, before you access any of the components or those the RAM or the CPU or anything, there are components that cover it. So first you need to remove them, and then you can safely access the RAM or the whatever component you want to access. In this case, it's the CPU. So let's go ahead and do that. So in this part, as you can see, there's this thing here. This is used for cooling the computer. Yeah. So its function is taking in air from outside and distributing it over the computer and making the computer cool. As you can see, this one is placed on top of the CPU down here. So it does the necessary work to take in the cold air and then cool the computer and all that. Yeah. So that's just a basic explanation of it. So there is more nuanced things, but yeah, that's just a basic explanation. So generally, to remove it, to access the CPU, you'll need to remove this one first. Yeah. So let's do that. Unscrewed, but these ones are the ones that can't be removed, so they remain on the component itself. Yeah, so you can just take this one out gently, place it on the side there, and voila, there is the big boy. So this small thing you see here, this is the one that runs the whole computer. Everything goes through it. Yeah. And as you can see, it's protected by this thing here around it. And yeah, and there's this one here that protects it. So it is locked in. Yeah. So now, as you can see, I'll get this closer. This is a bit with a different bit than the one we just used. You can see if we even try to place this one, it doesn't work. Yeah. So we'll change the bit and then try again. So you just come here and place it gently and then unscrew this one. There you go. As you can see, it's jumped because there's this line in here, protection and everything. You can just pick that one up like that. So one thing I'd advise, don't touch the insides of this thing. Yeah, this is very delicate stuff and they are very expensive, so don't touch the inside. Just handle it on the sides like this. Yeah. So if you have never seen a computer CPU or whatever, this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And this thing, this small thing you see here, is the one that runs the whole thing, the whole machine. Yeah, so you can place that one on the side to observe inside. You can see here, this is what it looks like. There's these pins around it, and then there is the parts here. So let me show you really quickly something that I've noticed here. So somehow this one is made in such a way that if you place it in the wrong direction, it doesn't go in. If you place it in the correct way, it goes in perfectly. Yeah, if you even turn it around the side and place it in the wrong direction, it doesn't go in. Yeah, but if you do it the correct way, there you go, it's in. So all you have to do is place this one back on like this. Yeah, and you will face some resistance because of these bolts here. So what I advise is come here and loosen these ones. Yeah, loosen these ones a bit. So once you do that, yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, so once you do that, you can come and take the main one, if we can see that, and align it here. And screw it in. Yeah, that's done. And now don't forget to screw these two in that you loosened. And just place them back as you did before, and that is it. Yeah, that is it. It's in. You can place the components back in the same way we did it when you're opening it, and your computer is back to work. So you can do this to upgrade this one. So if you wanted to apply thermal paste up here for cooling and everything. So yeah, there are many reasons you could want to access your computer's CPU. So yeah, generally that's it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, we are growing gently, we're going up. So one thing I'd like to share with you guys is I have a computer business that I opened last year, and I'll place it here. It's on Instagram. You can go follow me if you don't have computer issues, or if you have computer issues, you can contact me there. Wherever you are in the world, I do consultations. And if you are in Kenya, I can come to you and yeah, fix your computers. So give me the work. And so also another thing, follow me on social media. I will place the social medias down below. And also one last thing, you might have seen my number, my phone number, my M-Pesa number, that is, and also a QR code for the PayPal. So if you do like to support my work, and if you enjoy this work and you like to support it, or if you just want to support me, kindly send to those numbers, send to those emails or whatever that I've placed on the card. So I'll also put some links down below and all the details down below, so you will be able to see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, I appreciate your support every day for watching these videos, taking your time. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out, guys.